Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we will explore the new list slicer in Power BI. For that, in your visualization pane, you will select this list slicer, which is the new one. Now in this new slicer, we can have more than one field. So it appears like a hierarchy. I'll show you how it's appearing. So for example, I'll bring the status of my projects and I also want to see it by location. So I'll drag both of them and now you can see that delayed. So there's only one project that is delayed, which is in Boston, and we can easily filter it out. If I click on done, so for example, if I select done, now it's appearing as the filtered, you can see, and we have these locations that have projects that have been completed. Now let's see how we can further modify it. So I'll go and format your visual. First thing, we'll remove the single select, remove it from here. In the shape, you can use any. I will show you how it appears. So you can have rounded rectangles. So now you can see it's appearing like this. We can keep it like that. In the layout also, we can change it. We can just increase and decrease this. So we can change this, the layout, if you want. In the callout values, in the default, let's change the color to blue, or we'll keep it as dark gray. You can also change the hover color to, let's say, blue. So if I go here, this is how it will appear. Similarly, you can change it for selected, pressed, or mixed. I'll close this. You have the selected icons here, selection icon. So I will just remove that. We don't need it. So it's appearing like this. So if you want, you can go and you can further select it. If you want to have it by default, expand or collapse, you can do it. The icon, the buttons, if you want to change it on hover or on press, if you want to have a border. So you see, and you can also change the border color. For example, let's say I will keep it black. So this is how you can do more changes. You can add a shadow, glow, or accent bar if you want. If I bring it, so you can see there's a very slight accent bar appearing. You can change it if you want, but I'll keep it as it is. In the generals tab, it's the all the same that we have for any, but we will just keep the title. And in the effects, let's just add a background color, blue, so that it appears like this. And we will also, if you want, we can remove one, and let's further change the shape back to rectangle. So now if I click delete, I get my delayed projects completed in the done, and I can select it all. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.